Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are exploring the greatest name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Al-Jamey. Al-Jamey is gatherer of whatever he wishes, wherever he wishes. Jamey means gathering things that are dispersed. Allah gathers things together whether they are alike or different or even opposite. Allah has gathered together within us, within this universe, spaces, galaxies, stars, earth, seas, plants, and animals whose nature, size, shape, and color are different. In the bodies of the creatures He has created, Allah has gathered opposing entities such as fire and water, air and earth, heat and cold, dry and wet. He has gathered 6 million cells in a drop of blood. Can you imagine that gatherness? The body has incalculable cells, each moving, seeking, finding, rejecting, growing, dividing, dying, each alive, an entity unto itself. He has combined all those cells in the body by means of His knowledge and His power. He can scatter them to the far corners of the universe and then gather them again. That is how our bodies, decomposed, spread in earth, water, and air at death, will be gathered on the day of resurrection. So will the bodies of billions and billions of people. Their lives, their minds, their souls return to them. They'll be gathered in the field of Arafat on the day of judgment. Allah will gather the sinner and the pure one, the tyrant and the tyrannized, the good and the bad face to face, and judge them all. Then He will gather His friends into His paradise and His enemies into His hell. As Allah combines the cells of a human body, He puts each person together with his or her actions on the path to eternity. Our only comrades are our deeds. In our heedlessness, we do not see the flesh, the heart, the mind, the soul gathered together, and the thousands of me's and I's and minds living together within us, any more than we see the billions of units combined in our bodies. We do not see our deeds, which are always with us, nor the hell or the paradise that are around us. Your preoccupation with this world, eating, drinking, seeking more and more to eat, to have, to enjoy, your slavery at the hands of your flesh and your ego have made you inattentive to everything else. Only when the bird of the soul flies from the cage of the flesh will this dream evaporate, and you will find yourself alone with your deeds. Then you will see that single companion whom you hug and press to your chest. Is it something warm and friendly, or is it full of snakes and scorpions and poisonous thorns? Then you will know that what you presumed to be good was hell, and what you thought was suffering was paradise. So Abdul Jamey is the servant in whose being visible character and morals and hidden truths of the heart are combined into one. Both his exterior and interior are beautiful. The manifestations of all the beautiful names of Allah are gathered in him. He is able to bring together all that which is dissimilar, different and opposite inside and outside of himself. Our father, the Prophet Sayyidina Adam alayhi salam, found our mother Hazrat Khwaja on the plain of Arafat after they had been separated and sent from the garden to earth by reciting this name. If someone has lost something or is separated from someone dear, recitation of Ya Jamey 114 times, followed by Jamey Nasiul